friends, my name is Soham and I welcome you to Crypto Bulls Club. If you're new to this channel, make sure you smash up the subscribe button and hit the like button as well, and also join us on our Telegram channel, the link for which is given in the descriptions below. My favorite wallet in the Solana ecosystem is the Phantom wallet, guys, right? So the reason I like this is primarily because of the easy user interface that it provides, and it's very easy to navigate and use. Now, how do we install a Phantom app, or how do we use a Phantom wallet? So basically it's as similar to some of the other decentralized wallets as well. So for that you need to just click on download and you will be taken to a page wherein you will be asked to what is the browser that you are using. So for example, here we can see Firefox, Chrome, Brave browser, Edge. Now let's take for example, I am using Chrome, so I'll simply click on Chrome and I'll be taken to a new page on the Chrome store wherein it will give me the option to add to Chrome. Mind you, I have already added the Phantom wallet, that's why it is giving me the option of remove from Chrome. Make sure once you have added the Phantom wallet to your browser, you also take the backup of the secret phrase and also the security key, right? That's very important. You need to keep these things at a very secure place, guys, right? Now once you have actually set up your Phantom wallet, so here we are into our wallet, as you can see. So this is another wallet that I am using. So what you can do is, I'll just minimize this so that you can see it. So you can actually deposit, you can click on deposit and you can directly deposit the Pyth network tokens like how we have done here. You can simply click here and you can scan this and you can deposit the Pyth network tokens. Now once I have Solana here, what should I be doing? I should be looking to swap the Solana that is available. Now how can I do that? I can simply click on this icon over here right at the bottom, and from there I will be able to swap. So for example, I have a few Solana. Mind you, we should not be selecting the maximum button here. This is a hack which you should keep in mind. Never should actually use the max, because then you will be left with no gas fees. So in this case, let's say I have a little over 2.5 Solana. So what I will do is, I'll just swap about 2 Solanas into the token of my choice, which is in this case the Pyth network token. So I just simply select Pyth network and I will be swapping about 2 Solana. So I will be getting roughly about 559 Pyth tokens. So I just click on review order, which will give me the estimated gas fees and everything that is there. Then I click on swap. So in this interface, you can see that the gas fees is very minimal. So I simply click on swap and within a few seconds, I will have my Solana token swapped into the Pyth network tokens. So it's done while we are speaking. This is completed. So thank you so much for tuning into this video. Stay blessed, stay happy, take very good care of yourselves. Also, just before we sign off, what is the next token that you would like us to cover in the airdrops or the staking ecosystem? Do let us know by commenting below and we will be covering all of that. So thank you so much. Stay blessed, stay happy, take very good care of yourselves. Bye bye for now.